Ooh, you have a new car? Are you sure it's your size? A tiny Thumbelina in such a huge car? Getting to know people always brings up a lot of stereotypes. It's funny what people think about tall girls. They think of the same things at once. She's so tall. Maybe she's a basketball player? An NBA star for sure. But there are so many people, so many opinions. She probably works as a model. With those long legs? What if it's both? A basketball playing model? What an interesting combination! Sleight of hand, balance, and wit. What do height differences have to do with all that? It's obvious! Sooner or later, the Jenga tower will fall over. And some of the pieces will go under the couch. We have to get them out of there. Aw, man, there it is! So close! But my arms are too short for this mission. Well, my friend doesn't have that problem. Getting the block from under the couch only takes a second. She's tall and she has long arms. Why is she so tall? And why am I such a hobbit? It's not easy to get what you want when you are short. Especially when it comes to your boyfriend, who is always talking on the phone. I want to kiss him. Come on, stop talking already. Oh, here's one life hack you can try. Check it out. You just have to tickle him. By reflex, the guy bends down and now his face is in range. Mwah! Petite girls are so smart. But being tall can cause trouble out of nowhere. Hey, can I borrow some lipstick? Are you serious? It'd be unsanitary to share. I hate rejection. I want to live stylishly and fast. But not this time. My shirt pocket got stuck on the handle. You are not going to get out just yet. And why are you so nervous? It's just lipstick. Fun-size girls don't understand these kinds of things. Parties are more than just dancing. It's a whole set of fun pictures with your friends. This is the perfect moment for a photo shoot. Come on, get close. Oh, we have a problem. Taking a picture of tall and short girls is quite the puzzle. The photographer has to really think outside the box. I need to recalculate. The short friend doesn't fit in the shot and the tall girl gets her head cut off. And every girl wants to be the prettiest. Well, how do we look? Great, girls. Really amazing. Sorry, but I'll show you the pictures later, if I show you at all. Now let's go to the gym. The tall girl is super comfortable here. She can reach anything. It seems like all the machines were designed specifically for her. She gives her short friend a turn. No way! It's too high! I definitely need some help. Oh, we had a good workout today. So, what else do we have here? Here comes the trainer. He'll give you a hint. Oh no! My short height is ruining my day again! The trainer's armpit is right at my nose! Ew! How do I unsee this? It's so nice to go for a swim after working out. Here is the short friend. Look how deep it is! But it's relative. Because where the water is at the tall girl's neck, her short friend can't even touch the bottom. Hold me! Help! Tall people are great swimmers. She is so fast! Of course! Just look at her flippers! Want to try a small prank? put a fin on your head. A shark in the pool? Is there anything scarier? At least no one would dare to swim in your lane. Ah! Just don't get scared yourself. Tricks! Card tricks! Everybody likes illusions. There's already a crowd around the magician. The short friend can't see anything at all. She tries to break through to the front row, and the tall friend has her back. She has a good view from the back row. And if her height blocks someone's view, they can enjoy the text on her t-shirt. My height is not my problem. No more questions. But there are times when both being tall and being short is bad. Casting in a modeling agency? We should try it. All we can do is wish them luck. First, the tall girl goes before the team. And she's wearing heels too. But it seems like the casting agents are not impressed. Maybe they'll prefer a shorter girl. Oh no, they really don't. What is this? A model casting for gnomes? Even high-heeled shoes can't save you. The casting agents assess the competition. I wonder who they'll choose. We need a perfect medium. That's why an average height girl wins. And our friends are still jobless. It's a shame, but it's okay. And here's another funny situation. The friends come to a car dealership. The one that's smaller runs to a car that seems huge. The inside is very spacious. I've always dreamed of a car like this, and the mirror is right where it needs to be. It's perfect for fixing my makeup. What else could a girl want from a car, right? Well, her feet don't reach the pedals, and her hands can barely reach the wheel. But it's no big deal. A big car gives you confidence. It's like you're driving a tank. Well, the tall girl's looking at another car. This is the opposite situation. She tries to get in it. She has to literally shove her legs into this little box. Oh, it's tight! Her knees are resting on the steering wheel. Oh no! A long-legged girl can't buy a car like this. It's not my fault I like tiny cars. Your friend can't find her candy? Uh-oh! There were a few candies left, but the tall friend knows a secret. Because the candies are hidden on the top shelf. So someone can't get them. After all, she solemnly gave up her candies last night. That's why it's now in limited access. You sure you didn't find anything? I'm watching you! Sometimes being tall is an advantage. Yummy! I hate leaving the house and forgetting something important. I don't think I got my phone. Look through the window. Maybe you can spot it. But since she's short, she can't see into the room. It's good to have a tall friend. She doesn't even have to jump. And she easily figures out where the phone is. Now all you need to do is go back for it. Did you like today's video? How tall are you? Tall, medium, or short? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos about the problems that come with being short and tall on Troom Select.